Usually one thing I'm looking for is the shortest distance.
No, this is just to teach you how to recover in an oversteer situation.
Okay.
So there's it's not a timed test or anything.
Okay, I gotcha.
Not about speed. Actually about 13, 14 mile an hour is as fast as we'll be going.
Oh, okay.
It's a kidney shape course here. 2 white lines. Just stay between those and
Have you been teaching this class for a long time?
I've been here for about 15 years.
Wow. Interesting.
Yep.
I used to come here as like a child to just walk.
Oh, yeah.
Like I would watch the vintage,
Yeah.
the Mini Coopers and stuff.
Yep.
And then,
Grand Prix.
yeah, haven't had a chance. I want to bring my car here, like on like a day where it's warmer, where I can actually like push around the track. But I don't know how to do all that yet.
Okay, second down.
Okay.
Yep, and give them some space. Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna go about 14 miles an hour, you said?
Yeah, we'll
is
have
the
to
goal
go very
to
fast.
maintain our vehicle through the turn essentially?
You're just supposed to keep it from spinning out. From
Okay,
skidding.
gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yep, go ahead. Anytime it starts to skid out, catch it. This way, to the right.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Yep, you're straddling the line. It's over here between the two lines.
My bad.
Is
Didn't
the
even see
road.
that. Gotcha.
Yep. Right, and then this is straight.
Okay.
So between the red cones, it's just straight.
Okay.
There's a lot of lines here, but
There we go.
none of them are relevant. There we go. Back to gas.
All right.
Steer into it more.
Gotcha.
All right. Yep. You just got to keep adding
that
steering
makes sense.
input.
My bad.
No brake.
Oh, no, my bad.
Yep. Try not to jump on the brake.
Force of habit.
Just yep. Use the throttle to
That wasn't too
control it.
bad. Okay, that's starting to kind of make sense.
Catch it, keep going. There we go. So as soon as it
Yep.
starts to slide,
Okay.
foot off the accelerator, steer
Start
into
turning.
it.
Okay.
And the more it comes around, the more you got to steer into it.
Gotcha.
And
You
then
don't
wait
really
for the
need-
pause.
Yep.
And then you can start unwinding your hands, straighten out the wheel.
Okay.
And going back to the gas. Important thing is to look where you want to go, not where you're going.
Interesting.
Okay, so
Okay.
look through the corners. You don't want to look down here. You want to look
I
around
see,
the corner
I see.
over here.
I see what you're saying.
That's where you want to go. So look down this way. There you go. Your hands will follow your eyes.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So if you're focused down here, that's,
Okay.
it causes your hands to be fast, your
Yeah,
feet
yeah,
to be
yeah.
heavy.
That makes
So
sense.
if you look, keep your eyes up, looking in the distance and looking where you want to go, it'll slow and smooth down your hands and your feet as well.
I'm starting to kind of get what you're saying. That's starting to make sense. Guys, we are about to do, I think, challenge number 3 or something. I'm not 100% sure. They got shafted, got put in the automatic. This ain't no fun, but let's see what we can do. It is freezing, so I'm gonna enjoy my seat warmer.
Alright, first car, come on down. Yeah, I want you to get some good speed, and then brake as hard as you can. Right at me, come on. Keep coming. Keep coming, brake hard. That's it, perfect, that's what I want. Alright, go and pull on around. First car, come on down.
much throughout this challenge, all you want to do is floor it till you get to about the second or third set of cones, and then you want to hit your brakes, kind of taper them hard so you can take the corner. This exercise is just trying to show you how to go in to out on a race course, like on a racetrack. Unfortunately, I'm in my Civic. I should have brought my own car.
Next car. That's it. Good job. Next car. Perfect.
Just want to give you a quick update. We're pretty much doing just a different amount of like skills. We did like a skid challenge, you know, how to hit the apex, how to go in and out. We're gonna do a little bit of an autocross thing, and I think we're supposed to be able to redo the hot lap we did this morning, which I got like a 34-second I think on, and see where we go from. Stick. Here we go. I've never been in one of these. These are really cool. Let's see what happens. Just got done driving the S2000s, which were 6-speed, which were way better than this thing. This is just a little Honda Civic, and that was way more fun. The back end wanted to give out a little more. We had to leave it in second gear the whole time, but that I would totally that's kind of my first experience autocrossing, and if that's what it's like, I totally want to do it more. I have, I've been wanting to take the M3 or the Boxer autocrossing. Now it's kind of getting cold, but I would definitely be interested. That was some of the most fun I've had in a car. Probably I had more fun because I didn't own it, so I wasn't afraid of breaking it the whole time. So I literally just drove it like I stole it. But that was blast. Mm-hmm. This is going to be the concluding portion of today. I think now we're just going to be doing a kind of a lap, or maybe a few laps around the actual racetrack here in Mid-Ohio, and we have to follow the instructor, and then they're going to set us a pace for us to kind of push the cars. I don't really know what I'm in. I'm pretty sure this is some form of a Civic, so not really sure how hard I can push it, but this has been really fun otherwise.
You know, the faster we can go, and make sure that everybody stays online in the right place as well. Go ahead and rotate this time.